How to pay with Affirm on Wayfair. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can pay with Affirm on Wayfair. So if you created an account on Wayfair and you want to pay, the first thing to do is to log in into your Wayfair account and then shop at Wayfair by adding items to your cart. So let's see. For example, you would like to get kitchen mats. Just select it, and then after selecting the particular category of products or items that you would like to get, you'll be taken to the items page. So once you are brought to the home page, you can now see the different kind of mats that you want. You can move to the left side to filter the kind of mat based on color and all of that. Then once you've seen it, just select the one that you would like to get, and then you'll be taken to another page entirely. So on this page, you can see details about the page, different colors that are available. So you can just select it based on the color that you want. And then you can also check out the weights, the dimensions, also the specifications. And if it's okay by you, move to the right side and click on Add to Cart. So after clicking on Add to Cart, you'll be brought to your cart page, and then you would see that the product has been added to your cart. To your cart, sorry, and you can see other things that you can purchase. So the next step would be for you to proceed to checkout. So move to the right side of the screen where you can see the option Proceed to Checkout and just select it. So after selecting Proceed to Checkout, you would be taken to the checkout page. It is on this page that you will then select Affirm as your means of payment. So on this page, next step would be for you to enter in your full name, enter in your address. You can enter in your company name if you have, enter in all of the details, then set as ensure you check this box, all right, and then move to the lowest part of the screen and click on Save and Continue. All right, save and continue. Okay, choose a state. Let's follow that. So in my current location, Wayfair does not support shipping to my present location. All right, so this cannot go through. But for you, all right, just enter in your state, your zip code, and then you'll be taken to the next page. On the next page, you'll be asked to select your payment method. So among the payment method there, you'll see the option Affirm. So just select it. After selecting Affirm, you would be asked to enter in your mobile number, and then you would receive a 4-digit verification code. And then you have to see whether you are approved for your purchase, and then go ahead and make your payments. So this is how you can go about it. So if you have an Affirm account, it is easy. Just ensure you get your product, enter in your shipping address, save and continue, select Affirm as a payment method, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.